humans do make mistakes, okay? So sometimes the society or the Instagram post or everything around us makes us feel so bad about our mistakes that we just can't forgive ourselves and the people around us. But believe me, your mistakes are just mistakes which can be forgivable. No matter what you did in life, no matter what your circumstances were, if you did a mistake, okay, accept it and please forgive yourself, guys. Because if you won't forgive yourselves, people around you will also not forgive you. Forgiveness starts from within, okay? If I have not forgiven myself for my mistakes, my parents would never, and they would never trust me again, right? So you need to accept that under these circumstances I made these mistakes, and what can I do to not get into that circumstance, and even if I get to that circumstance, what things I need to do differently so that I do not do the same mistake. This is as simple as that. But what I have seen and what I have observed, like when I did some mistakes in the beginning, I was also like, how will I tell my parents, how will I face myself, how will I face the world and everything. But it was just a phase. Everything happened, everything like is in the past. I'm living happily, I'm happy, I'm out alone, I'm able to like make my parents trust me again, I'm able to reassure them again, and things are fine. And so things can get fine with you as well, but everything needs to start from you and from within. I know when things have happened and everything, at that moment, in like within 1 month, 1 week, 2 months, you do realize that, oh, my parents are not trusting me, oh, my parents are not like treating me very well, they have become different. Obviously, guys, obviously, if you trust someone and someone does not works accordingly, no matter whatever the circumstances were of the person, you would never trust the person, or you would take some time to trust the person. Same is the thing with your parents. Your parents would also take some time to trust you. In that process, if you start throwing tantrums on them, if you start getting hard on them, hard on you, this is not going to help you anyways. I think that you need to be very patient with your parents because they are your parents. They trusted you at the first place in life, with life. And secondly, if you have done any kind of mistake, after that it will take some time for them to trust you again, right? So just don't be harsh on your parents. And one more thing which I realized was, no, your parents are the only one which are going to forgive you very easily, no matter who your partner is, no matter who your friends are. Parents are parents, guys. No one can replace them. They will be the one, even after you make the mistake, they will scold you, but they will be the one to actively participate in erasing all the things, all the mistakes which you did, or mending all the mistakes which you did. So no matter what, whatever situation in your life you are in right now, if you think you're going through a rough phase, if you think you have made a very big mistake, go and talk to your parents. I understand that they will judge you, they will treat you very badly in the beginning, but they will surely help you out. I realized that if I would have told my parents about certain things in my life earlier, I would have been at better places in my life. But that's a journey, that's life and everything. Just a big sister or a friend's advice that the only person you can trust is your parents. Everyone else comes afterwards. Don't be harsh on yourself, guys, please. This life is very little to be harsh on yourself. You are here to love and live, not to be harsh on yourself or the people around you. If anyone else have done a mistake, please forgive them in silence. Even if like you think that you cannot trust that person again, I understand. Don't trust that person again, but do forgive them. Not verbally tell them I've forgiven you. Like sit with yourselves, mentally do forgive them so that you become at peace with yourselves. If you are like angry on someone, or if you have hatred for someone, it is not affecting them, right? They are just living their lives to the fullest. You are the one who is suffering. So what's the point of keeping the grudges? I think just sit and think of the whole scenario and just forgive them for your benefit and for their benefit. And if you struggle with forgiving someone, cry if you want to cry, shout if you want to shout, like do whatever if you want to do, take a break if you want to take a break. But please be very soft on yourselves, because being hard on yourselves is not going to take you anywhere. If you will be hard on yourself, the world will be hard on yourself. If you are soft on yourself, the world will be soft on yourself. Because how we treat us is how the world treats us, right? You are worth everything, guys. You are worth the love, you are worth the respect, you are worth the money, you are worth a good job. Everything is just here in your mind. When you will change everything in your mind, surroundings will automatically start changing. I like remember asking for this trip to my parents. I was asking from them from a perspective that they will not agree. They will be like, no, you cannot go alone. But I did everything from the past mistakes to now. I made sure that I do not do same mistakes again or any other mistake again, and I made sure that I communicate to my parents, because communication is the only way you can regain their trust back or anyone else's trust back. Communication, it matters a lot. Updating someone matters a lot. Like, even if someone is not asking you where are you, what are you doing, if you are updating people after you have done some kind of mistake, I know that you think you are very like self-sufficient and you don't want to update anyone, but if you have made a mistake, if you have like broken someone's trust or anything, if you want to be at a place where you want people to trust you, some people do not want people to trust them, that's okay. In my case, I did all these things for my parents to trust me again. I did everything because I wanted to make sure that I'm not hiding anything from my parents. I communicated with them everything, because at the end of the day, if something good or bad happens, they are the only ones to know, right? So why not make them a part of my journey? I just keep updating them, I just keep telling them. I remember going to exam halls and not communicating with my parents how my exam went and everything. But now, cut to now, I'm like so overwhelmed. My exam was on day before yesterday. There was my exam, and I remember at first when I used to go to exams, I did not even used to check my phone or call anyone. But now, the first thing I do when I come back from any exam or anything is to call my papa. Not at first it was my mom, but now things have become so magical. I have become so good with good in terms of my father that I call my father. Like, first person to talk about my exam is my father. So yeah, that's a very great thing. That's a very good thing. I'm glad that I could make my relationship very good with my parents, and that's the best thing which could have happened to me for now. 23 years of my life, I have turned 23, guys. Yeah. So I feel happy, and please remember, everything is mendable. सब ठीक हो सकता है. कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम ठीक नहीं कर सकते. Everything can be corrected. You're not at fault. You are not the mistake you did. You are a person. The mistake was a part of your life. Do not define yourself with the mistake or an achievement on anything. Okay? So yeah. And please don't self-victimize yourself. There is no point of doing that. You will be in a constant state of self-victimizing and self-pitying, and the life is just passing by. You are here, life is passing by, it's taking you also here, but you're still here mentally, and one day you will be here mentally, but life will be ended. So what's the point? What's the point? Because nothing matters. After some point, everyone forgets about everything and every other person. Just live your life to the fullest, and do make an effort to mend things which you have done wrong, intentionally or unintentionally, so that you can live at peace. And if you have spoiled something, it is your responsibility to fix it. If you want to fix it, no one else is coming to fix you. And self-victimizing and self-pitying is not going to help. You need to get up for yourself and make your life worth living and worth telling stories of and everything. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you for listening. May God bless you. And yeah, my thoughts can be different from yours, and that's okay. I understand. No offense to anyone. I'm just a human sharing my thoughts. You can be different from me, and that's totally okay. But even if you're different, may God bless you, and thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.